Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Beach Walk Villa Maldives. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. A few steps from Gulhi, Beach Walk Villa Maldives is located in Gulhi and provides free Wi-Fi, concierge services and express check-in and check-out. The property has a shared lounge, room service and currency exchange for guests. The guesthouse will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms with a desk, an electric teapot, a fridge, a minibar, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV and a private bathroom with a shower. At Beach Walk Villa Maldives the rooms include bed linen and towels. A continental, Asian or vegetarian breakfast is served at the property. At the accommodation you'll find a restaurant serving Russian, local and Asian cuisine. Vegetarian, kosher and halal options can also be requested. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.